Tervetuloa and welcome to Learning Finnish with me, where we learn Finnish in fun and easy way. Today we are going to learn colors in Finnish. This is a great starting point if you want to know some basic colors. Now let's practice together and repeat after me. Red is punainen, blue is sininen, yellow is keltainen, green is vihreä. White is valkoinen, black is musta, orange is oranssi, brown is ruskea, gray is harmaa, purple is violetti. Let's repeat it one more time. Punainen, sininen, keltainen, vihreä, valkoinen, musta, oranssi, ruskea, harmaa, violetti. Now that we know some basic colors, let's talk about light and dark colors in Finnish. In Finnish, when adding valea or tumma before color, you add n between them. This connects the word, making it sound natural in Finnish. We use the word valean and tumman to describe light and dark color. Valean means light, for example, valean punainen means light red or pink. Tumman means dark, for example, tumman sininen means dark blue. So sininen means blue, but if you want to say light blue, we add valean before it. This makes it valean sininen, which directly translate to light blue. Tumman sininen, dark blue. Valean vihreä, light green. Tumman vihreä, dark green. Let's repeat it one more time. Valean sininen, light blue. Tumman sininen, dark blue. Valean vihreä, light green. Tumman vihreä, dark green. Remember, valean makes the color lighter and tumman make it darker. You can use those words to describe any color. Here are some easy examples of Finnish colors. Taivas on sininen. The sky is blue. Lumi on valkoista. The snow is white. Kissa on musta. The cat is black. Kahvi on ruskea, the coffee is brown. Appelsiini on oranssi, the orange is orange. Ruusu on vaaleanpunainen, the rose is pink. Let's repeat it one more time. Taivas on sininen, lumi on valkoista, kissa on musta, kahvi on ruskea. Appelsiini on oranssi, ruusu on vaaleanpunainen. In Finnish, there are no words like a and or the. Finnish sentence just use the main word directly. So if we say taivas in Finnish, it can mean a sky or the sky, depending on the context. Finnish doesn't need extra word for article, which keeps sentence short and simple. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoy learning about color in Finnish. Remember to practice those words and soon you will be using them every day. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, subscribe for more language lessons, and let me know in the comment what you like to learn next. Kiitos kun katsoit. Heippa!